snoozy. I just took a fat nap. It has been so long since I've seen you guys in actual vlog form. I filmed a little life update to update you guys on my life and to let you know where I've been, because I took off so much time since after the holidays, and I think I'm ready to, like, you know, get back into the swang of vlogging. What time is it? What day is it? Where's my phone? Be right back. I gotta go find my phone, figure out the day, figure out the time. My outfit, well, nah. It's January 17th, by the way, and it's 2:12. So it was only like a 2.5 hour. No, what time did I go to bed? I think I took a 2 hour and 12-minute nap. 2:12. Is that gonna be her birthday? She's due the 20th. I think she might come the 2nd. That's a little too early though. I don't know. I'm literally sitting in the parking lot at the surgery center, getting ready to pick up my mom. She had some surgery, so she's gonna be a little loopy off the anesthesia. I gotta pick her up. I brought her a pillow and blanket so she can take a little snoozy on the way home. Anyways, that last clip, I kind of just abruptly cut it because the mixture of just waking up mixed with pregnancy brain, mixed with just myself in general, the clip was pretty much non-comprehensible. So I just wanted to update you guys. In this next couple of clips, I'm going to be sharing with you my parents' empty house tour of the flipper fixer-upper house that they just bought. They're doing all renovations. Construction actually started yesterday, but long story short, I sold my parents a house. It was actually my first ever real estate transaction. I got my license back in February. I updated you guys in my last video, so if you missed that, go watch that video. I talk all about it if you're confused, but I definitely want to document the entire process. I'm trying to like figure out where I want to take my content. Obviously, I am going to be having a baby literally any day now. Look at my belly. She's so big in there. But like I was saying, I just want to figure out where I want to take my content. Like, it's just so hard when my life is so chaotic and I feel like there's a million things going on at once, and I literally love to overshare everything. I want to share every aspect of my life, but it gets hard because then I'm like, I have no niche. My channel is just everything. Literally, I live full-time in an RV currently. I'm 36 weeks pregnant, about to enter parenthood, and I definitely want to do like family content and baby content and all that kind of stuff. I love lifestyle and fashion and beauty. And then on top of everything else, I decided to get into the real estate career. Now I'm going to be a real estate agent, and I'm going to want to put that content out for you guys. So I just like don't know what to do or like where to, you know, share certain things. Like, should I have platforms designated to things? Like, should I keep the real estate just on maybe like a specific Instagram? Continue doing lifestyle content on YouTube? And okay, I'm literally rambling once again. I told myself I wouldn't. So without any further ado, what you guys came to this video for, let's roll the clips of my parents' empty house tour. Hello! So, this is the house. It's so echoey in here. They decided they wanted to buy kind of like a flipper fixer-upper house where they can make it exactly how they want it. They are hoping to have literally every single thing done fully by the summertime, but hopefully within the next couple months. Like, getting permits and stuff is the biggest part. But I'll give you guys a tour of what we got going so far. So currently this is the front door. It's like super, super tall, but they're going to expand it even bigger. And it's like some, I'm gonna insert pictures of their inspo and everything like that. But yeah, when you walk in, this is the grand view. It is beautiful. Very high ceilings up there. They plan on making it into like a cat lounge. This is gonna be all glass doors. This is gonna be like a whole accent wall. And the details on this wall are gonna be insane. Cannot wait for you guys to see. I'll pop up pictures. But going into that archway and that archway are bedrooms. This will be an office. This will be the living room. All of that is gonna be taken out, and it's gonna be all indoor, outdoor living. So this will be all glass doors that go out to the pool. Kitchen is over there. I feel like kitchen is what needs the most work done, honestly. I love this little step down concept. It's actually hard to see that those are steps. Like I said, out there's a pool. I'll show you in a second. I think they're doing this, the TV wall. I'm pretty sure. That will be the dining room. Out there goes to the garage. They're also gonna build on a game room. This is the kitchen. The kitchen, like I said, needs the most work. Right here is gonna go to an indoor-outdoor bar situation. So like a kitchen bar. This will have hydraulic windows that open up. It's gonna be so cool. Right now, this is a pantry, but they're gonna tear this entire thing out. They're gonna put the pantry way bigger and they're gonna put it into the garage area, and they're going to make this a like 7 foot fridge. It's gonna be insane. They ordered all new appliances, all new cabinets, all that kind of stuff is gonna come in, but this is what they have right now. They're gonna be putting like a hibachi grill in here, a massive double sink. There's our RV. Me and Sam were literally living in their yard. They want to do the high cabinets situation, so it'll be so fun for you guys to see what they turn everything into. But then the windows, they're gonna have like windows underneath the cabinets. It's one of those things you guys just have to see. But yeah, this is a nice big island, a nice good space to do a bunch of stuff with. Oh, and then right here is another bathroom off of the kitchen. Let's go outside. This is their outdoor. Why can I not open this? Currently, this is what they have. It's a pool, there's a little water fountain, but their outdoor living space is going to be insane. Like the plans they have for this, like I said, they're gonna be putting a casita back there. They have like 1.3 acres. So even past that fence is still their property. There's actually like a little horse ranch next door. It's so cute. My mom wants to put a cactus garden here. They want to do some like turf and like dog area right here. Cornhole, outdoor living. They have like pizza ovens. They're gonna do an outdoor kitchen, fireplace situation. The pool, I think they are going to do a little expansion right here, adding in a jacuzzi and then making this kind of like a walk-in pool with those tanning chairs that are like half in the water. That's a water fountain currently. I know they want to add in a jacuzzi, and they're building, like I said, a whole casita and a whole home gym back there. So that's going to be awesome. On this side, they're going to be building a huge RV garage. And eventually, my dad said he wants to put like an actual RV campground over there. So whenever we come, we can just park here and stay here. But my parents also have an RV, so they'll put the RV garage over here. They're also going to expand into a game room. And then that's pretty much the plans for outside. Okay, really quickly, because movers are here. This is one of the bathrooms. They're redoing a bunch of stuff in here, but honestly, the showers are really nice and high already. Toilet, little closet area, sink, mirror. Very cute.
Where at, man?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, right in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
And then this room is gonna be transformed into my mom's closet. So right back there is the master bedroom. They're gonna tear down this wall, and it's gonna be kind of like a Jack and Jill situation where you can access it through the other closet, which I'll show you guys in a moment. But this is actually like a whole bedroom, but my mom wants, as she should, her dream closet. So we're gonna make this into, they, I guess, talked to a closet building company, and that's what the plan is. So that's exciting. Look at me, super preg. And then when you go this way, this is just a closet as well. I don't know if they're gonna build onto that or not. I have no idea. This right here is baby's room. So she's gonna have a little playroom here, and then like when my brother starts having kids and stuff, like all the grandkids, this will be like their playroom, make it into a bunk room. I'm so out of breath. But her like nursery and playroom is gonna be in here for when she's at Gam Gam and Pep Pep's house. There's gonna be a library and all that kind of stuff. But I love those windows. You see how it's that one and then that one in the two separate rooms? Oh, also there's carpet in these rooms and then also the master, but they're gonna be tearing out all the carpet and putting all tile in here. This is the laundry room. There's no laundry in here yet, but little closet for, you know, the AC and heating and all that. And then there's this section here for all of the laundry stuff. And then they're gonna put one of those, I don't know what they're called. I know there's a name for it. I'll insert a picture, but it's where it's like a laundry chute. So that way from their master bedroom, they can just put all the laundry in, come straight to the living or straight to the laundry room. This is where the actual washer and dryer will go. There's a sun little roof right there. And then there's this, which is that. And then just around here, like I said, this is gonna be my mom's office. So she'll have the view of the pool. This is gonna be all glass right here because she wants like a glass office. And then make this into J. Clay's home office. And then this is what goes to the master bathroom and bedroom. And again, it is all carpeted, but that'll be taken out. This is one closet. little section. Again, I'm not sure if they're gonna keep that, do something with it, I'm not sure. They have access to outside. I don't know if they're gonna make this wall also more open. I feel like maybe not because it's their bedroom. This is an overview of their master. Pretty good lighting. And then it goes into the master bathroom. They have their separate toilet. I love the hidden toilet concept. Here's the sinks. I definitely feel like they should do either a fun decorative mirrors or maybe just one massive mirror with like lighting in it. I don't know what their plans are for like the sinks, cabinets, counters, but this is what they have in here as the house was bought. I'll show you guys that in a second. Here is my dad's closet. Like I said, my mom is gonna have an entire room for her closet, and they plan on making this a door that can go into her closet. But this is FDD's situation. It has like a mirror here, and he probably doesn't need all that space, to be honest, but. Oh, I do like this. Here are small little windows, towel rack, bathtub, has like a little shower holder in it, we love. And then this shower is incredible. It's massive, number one, there's a bench. It's the rainfall type of shower head. They're gonna be putting in like all different shower heads down and around, and they still need to install the shower doors, but I feel like that's so cool. I hope they keep this backsplash. But yeah, so I feel like that is it, guys. Again, there's so much work that needs done. They have so many plans. This whole outside is gonna be so freaking cool. I also know that they plan on doing a courtyard in the front. They're gonna be doing like glass windows and stuff so that the cats or the dogs, if they get out, are gonna be able to run away. They'll still be enclosed in like the Clayton compound. I know they just bought a bunch of stuff from the nursery, so plants, palm trees, cacti, all that kind of stuff. The garage, I didn't really show you guys. But yeah, so that is the tour of J-Clay and FED's new house I just purchased at my very first real estate transaction. I'm so lucky that I had this referral to be able to sell this house. It really like pushed me into gear, and I'm like so excited, and I feel like this is something that's gonna be so much fun to do once I get on my feet and stuff like that, like after having the baby and all that. And here's their garage. Right now, me and Sam are using it for painting the baby's crib. And there's me and Sam's camper. Oh, and they also plan on painting the house white, I think, white stucco. All of this is their property, so they plan on putting the gym and the casita built back here somewhere. Look at this, they literally live in the desert. But they plan on making this one of those walkout pools. All this is gonna be transformed into like an outdoor kitchen area. I'm so excited for them. I'm so excited for like all the memories I know we're gonna have here, and just, I'm super excited. This is so fun. Okay, me again. I'm like feeling very bizarre with this slicked back bun. It's something I never do, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna close it out here. I'm picking my mom up now, like I said, and then today I just have to run errands. I have to pick up the giveaway prizes for my winners because I finally got everyone's choice of gift. I gotta put those together. I want to send those out by the weekend. What else? I gotta do like cleaning. I think I'm starting to like slide into the nesting phase a lot more than I was before, but I'm also exhausted. I've not been sleeping. We'll talk more about baby stuff next video, so make sure you guys come back if you're interested in that. I will see you in the next vlog. Love you times a million, truly.